Musunza, Head of Business Development at Jubilee Insurance. Many thanks for coming.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Well, when you throw a figure like 20 billion annually that will be netted through marine insurance, what does this mean to businesses? What does it mean to the ordinary man when it comes to the importance of marine insurance?
Well, with the recent directive by the Minister of Finance that marine insurance should actually be taken locally, it has brought some excitement in the insurance industry. And this has actually created opportunities of actually getting the marine insurance local. And most of the players in the market, that is the shippers, the importers, the exporters, and the insurance companies are actually coming together to actually form what is actually to pitch for that particular business, which has actually always been insured overseas.
Correct.
Yes.
So looking at the recent developments, what are the numbers looking like? For example, Jubilee Insurance, have we seen an upsurge of people taking up marine insurance? And of course, I know you're tempted to give a good number, but are we seeing people coming to take this product?
Yes. This used to exist. Let me just take you back a little. Marine insurance has actually been in existence. It's actually the cradle of insurance in the world. And in Kenya, it has actually been in existence.
Correct.
The challenge that the insurance sector has always been having is whereby most of the marine insurance has always been taken overseas.
Sure.
And the enforcement has actually been a handicap to the insurance regulator and also to insurance companies because of actually the dynamics of the people who are trading.
So do you have numbers that Jubilee can today say we've been able to bring to our fold this much?
Jubilee is in the space of the top 5 insurance companies. Currently, the figures as per last year, the insurance companies did about 2 billion. And I can actually say confidently that Jubilee was one of the insurance companies doing about 200 million in underwriting of marine insurance.
All right. Yes. What are your forecasts moving forward? Are we likely to see a spike in the numbers you make this year?
Yes. There's so many instruments that we've actually put in place as Jubilee Insurance. First is sensitization to the importers. Primarily, I can actually say that most of the importers and the freight forwarders did not actually understand any marine insurance. Basically, you're importing goods. It comes either with the cost, freight, and insurance, but they will not actually know what that insurance is all about. Is it comprehensive? Is it actually just insurance taken for the goods to actually land on the dock and not at the warehouse? So what we've actually done, we are doing training. And we're doing training to various sectors, the importers, the freight forwarders.
Yeah.
We've even gone ahead and created a very user-friendly digital platform to actually get the general public to port in and actually get insurance online. Yes.
All right. Indeed, perhaps finally, what would be a parting shot for those who are yet to take up this marine product?
What I can actually say is it's actually a very big opportunity for the insurance industry. And apart from that, peace of mind to the local importers and exporters.
All right.
You're dealing with the local insurers. You're dealing with the local insurance face-off. Basically, you'll be able actually to ask questions where you do not understand. If there's a claim, you're actually going to be able to administrate or process the claim locally. And I can actually tell you that within a phase of maybe a few months, people will actually come to appreciate the general coverage of marine insurance and the importance of it, especially those ones who are traders.
Many thanks there, Abel Msunza, who is the Business Development Manager at Jubilee Insurance, just giving us a deeper insights into the trends we are likely to see in the marine insurance business. Well, that's where we want to wrap it up. But before I let you go, let's take a look at our Twitter poll question and our feedback so far to Today we're asking you, was the move by the government to review the school curriculum realistic? Well, the results are in. 65% are saying yes and 35% are saying no. And this definitely goes to show you how the market has responded to this particular issue that will be shaping headlines in the coming weeks and months, even as Kenyans look forward to having a new curriculum that is the 2663. Well, that's where I bring it to a close. My name is Abegina. On behalf of the team that made this possible, many thanks. Coming up next is Worldview.